So this is a video just applying exponents to problems involving surface area and volume, again for grade 9 academic math. And you can see here you've got this rectangular cuboid. The height is 3x, the width is 2x, and the length is 8x. Doesn't matter what x is, we're just going to find an expression for surface area and one for volume in terms of x. Well, the volume's the easy one. Let's deal with that first. That is just simply height times width times length. So there it is. So you just got to apply the rules of exponents there with the x's. So 2 times 3 times 8 is easy enough. Numbers with numbers, so that is just 6 times 8 is 48. And then x times x times x. Remember the laws of exponents, you add those powers, so you have x cubed is the volume. Now, surface area. Surface area is basically a doubling of 3 sides, because you've got the front of the cube, which you could say is the height times the width, which would be 6x squared. But then you've got to double that, because that's the same as the back of the cube, right? Just like you have a left side, a right side and a left side, and you've also got a lid and a bottom, right? So what you can do is you can just sort of double everything and then just do all of these calculations of 3x times 2x for the front and the back, 3x times 8x for the side dimensions, it's height times width of the sides, and 2x times 8x, which should be the bottom of the cube. Let's just show you 2x, 8x. Yeah, talking about that. And go through those calculations. So you've got those parts. There's your 3x and 2x, front and back. There's your sides. There's your top and your bottom. 46x squared. Everything's doubled because you have everything twice. And you get 92x squared in the end as an expression for surface area. So if you wanted to know the area of all the sides of that three-dimensional shape. Some people prefer a sort of visual method. Here's a kind of net. Excuse my awful rectangle drawings. What I've done there is basically flatten the box and then looked at each piece of the box. So like here was the back that got flattened down, and you can see where the 6x squared comes from 2x times 3x. Here's the bottom of the box, and you've got 16x squared because you're doing 2x by 8x. Here's one of the sides of the box that's been flattened down, and you can see 8x by 3x gives you 24x squared. And again, you just add up all of those, and you'll notice that you will need 6 faces. I've only got 5 here because I need to sort of add on the lid here. So the lid, of course, onto one of these, or onto one of these, as long as you add it on. The lid is another 16x squared, just like the bottom. Add that on and add it all up, and you will again get 92x squared is surface area.